Hey all, it's John. It's 5:40 in the morning on a gloomy June morning, and I'm on my Wallke X3 Pro Max. Had for about 5 months, and I'm going to give it a range test. I'm going to give it a full throttle, dual motor range test. I've got a course that's about 30 miles through Camarillo, Moorpark, and Somas. Hopefully I'll make it. I've got my glasses on, so you're not going to see me. I'll take some video at different angles. And again, dual motor, full throttle. I'll do a little bit of pedaling just because my wrist gets kind of numb and I got to kind of shake it off and pedal during that time. But other than that, we're going to have a good time this morning. It should be hopefully not very many people on the road, so I can kind of stay in the bike lane and not get too harassed. And let's see how much voltage and overall power this thing can get on a full charge. So I'm going to take this thing and put it in pass 5. Hopefully you guys can still hear me through the mask. I know it looks ridiculous. It's cold out too. I'm going to put it on dual motor here. That's front motor. So that's dual motor. We'll get this thing up to 32. See how it goes. I'll report back once in a while. Next stage right here. Alright, let's try a different route. I don't think I'll make 30 miles today. I'm already down a peg. Back to pass 5. We'll let some of the traffic keep going. Well, I get the feeling it's never going to stop, so let's just go. Pedal to help it along. About 30 miles an hour, not bad. Here we are at Underwood Farms. I think my chain, the back chain here. It needs to be on this one. And the gear shifter, for whatever reason, is not really letting it stay in there. A little better. Underwood Farm. So the bike's doing okay. Alright. I don't know how much more card space I have for the GoPro here. Alright, we lost our third bar at 21 miles, 21 and a half miles. And if we go back to here, at around 46 volts. But we're still doing 28 miles an hour, so not complaining. Alright, quick update. I'm at Ponderosa and Earl Joseph in Cambrio. We are at 25 miles, hit 25 miles, and I'm at 2 bars, 2 out of 5 bars. The app is saying that's, 45 volts left. Started at 54. So I'm still doing 28 miles an hour. That's pretty good. We're gonna take the long way though. We're gonna try to hit, we're gonna have to hit at this point, over 30 miles. And I'm doing, 95% throttle only. I do a little bit of pedaling just because my arm goes numb, but it's 7 o'clock, so I gotta get back before the kids wake up. Let's give it a try here. Dual motor still kicking in. Okay, hey, I'm on the other side of the freeway now. At 27 miles, 44.9 volts. Should be about 7 miles home, so we'll be definitely over 30 miles today. Okay, I'm at 1 bar at 28 miles. I hope I can make it back. I'm near the Home Depot. I've got about at least 5 or 6 miles left. Alright, so I'm still doing 27 miles an hour with 1 bar left. 27, 28. Alright, look, so I'm at 31.8 miles, 1 bar, 43 volts left. My maximum speed is now 23, 24. That's all I got left in the tank. Luckily, I've got 2 miles to get back. All right, we're at 35 miles, 34.5 miles. I wanted to show you though what happens if you let go of the handlebars. You do get pretty bad speed wobbles here on the handlebars, but still able to go 25. All right, I don't know if you can see it. but I'm at 39 miles. I've been on one bar for about 10 miles of that, at least. 15 maybe? And I'm only able to go 17 miles an hour. One more mile for 40 miles. Let's see if I can do it. All right. Just finished my ride. Just finished the ride here. About 2 hours worth. Actually, almost exactly 2 hours worth. And as you can see here, we're at 40 volts, 40.7 volts. We did 40.3 miles. And at the end, I was doing, I think 15 miles an hour on dual power mode or dual motor mode. It had like no juice left, but it, 15 miles an hour, it's still moving on a flat surface, even after 40 miles of pass 5 throttle only, mostly throttle only, for 40 miles. That's not bad. It's not bad. So overall, a good ride. Seat's pretty good. Not too cushy, not too bad. Actually, it's cushy. Is that a word? I've got an extra sack here full of my equipment, and it held up pretty good. Chain fell off only once. What time? 7:50 in the morning. It's time for a nap. Over and out.